Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Structural Funda. Myself Ethan Kenny, and today we are going to learn about calculation of safe concentrated load which is loaded on simply supported span of length 6 meter, and we are given singly RC beam having the size as 230 mm cross 450 mm with effective cover of 50 mm. It means that the effective depth is 450 minus 50, it is equal to 400 mm, and reinforced with 4 numbers of 20 mm dia bars. We have given M20 grade of concrete as well as Fe415 grade of steel. So first of all, data is given to us. We have given the effective cover as 50 mm. It means that effective depth is equal to overall depth minus effective cover. So 450 minus 50, it is 400 mm as a effective depth. Now we have given the overall span length as 6 meter and simply supported beam is given. It means that if we assume that the self weight, it means that the W as a UDL, and we have to calculate the concentrated load at midspan. It means that we have to calculate the point load at the midspan as a P kilonewton, and we assume that the self weight as WD. So WD can be calculated by density into cross sectional area, which is equal to 230 mm and 450 as a overall depth in terms of meter, which is equal to 2.59 kilonewton per meter. Now this load is working load, so let us convert it in the factor load, which is equal to this working load into factor of safety as a 1.5, which is equal to 3.88 kilonewton per meter. So WD is nothing but 3.88 kilonewton per meter. Now this value is factor value, so we have to multiply this concentrated load with the factor of safety. So our concentrated load with factor load as 1.5 P. Now going ahead, for the calculation of neutral axis, we have so let us put the values. Which is equal to 273.84 mm. Now according to page number 74, Fy is equal to 415 Newton per mm square. It means that it is for Fe 415. The Xu max by D value is given as 0.48. It means that the maximum neutral axis depth is 0.48 into effective depth. It is 192 mm. Now our maximum value is less than of Xu. It means that our given beam is over reinforced section. So let us calculate the limiting value. Our equation is where axial max by D is 0.48 according to page number 70. Now if we put axial max by D as a 0.48 in terms of 0.36 axial max by D 1 minus 0.42 axial max by D, we have equation 0.138 FCK BD square, which can be used as limiting moment for Fe 415 grade steel. So let us put the values. It is 101.568 into 10 raised to 6 Newton into mm. So in terms of kilonewton meter, it is 101.568 kilonewton meter. This value is for the limiting moment. Now for the simply supported span loaded with UDL over entire span and point load at the center, the moment can be calculated by where W is our concentrated load and L is the span length as well as WD as a self weight of the beam. After putting the value, we will have P as 37.38 kilonewton. It means that the concentrated safe load is 37.38 kilonewton for the given data. It means that if 230 mm cross 450 mm as a rectangular RC beam loaded with self weight as well as the central concentrated load having the 6 meter span and reinforced with 4 numbers of 20 mm bar, then the safe load is 37.38 kilonewton. Thank you.